Nice one. Matibay na ang mga laptop niyan. Yan ang sabi ng Asus. Matibay, pamatagalan, kahit mabuhusan ng tubig yung kanyang keyboard, okay pa rin. This is the Asus ExpertBook
P5405.
ang pinakaunang Copilot Plus PC for work ni Asus. It's fast, durable, meron pa siyang Copilot, and it even has its dedicated Copilot button. With just one click, lalabas na si Copilot. Kung writer ka, programmer ka, or someone who is creating an email, this is a very indispensable tool. And guys, pwede ka mag-share screen with Copilot. It can see all of your screen, understand what's going on, analyze data. Kung meron kang binabasang Word document, summarize yan. Kung meron kang binabasang email, summarize yan. Excel data, databases, guys, kaya niya pong i-analyze po lahat yan. Ito naman, no, if you're looking for a laptop for business, or kung meron kang mga tao na kailangan ng mga laptop na very durable, needs AI, something that can last you years. Syempre, ang hirap mag-migrate ng data, you need something that can last very, very long. So this is the Asus ExpertBook. Let us review. What's been watching Unbox Diaries. Woohoo! So ito yung box niya. It's actually quite small lang and compact. And inside, you're gonna see the laptop, some papers, at yung kanyang charger. Very straightforward. And guys, the charger, sobrang compact, easy to carry around. May fast charging din po siya. 65 watts fast charging. I think mga 1 hour and 30 minutes lang, fully charged na po yung laptop ko, 0 to 100%. And the laptop itself is very light. Now, this is very interesting kasi nga yung mga laptop na matibay before ay kailangan rugged yung look nila. Medyo bulky, may mga pa-rubber pa sa side na mukhang tangke yung itsura. Kailan kasi pangit tingnan sa office, di ba? What Asus has managed to accomplish with this design, it still maintains that compact, slim design. Kaya niya mag-180 ng ganyan. Super amazing. And look at this. Pwede mo pa siyang, look at that. Grabe yung tension dito. Pero, babalik na siya na ganyan. The body is made out of metal, mostly metal. I think aluminum po to. Very lightweight lang po yung product mismo. At very thin. Tignan sa sides, guys ha. Tignan mo, halos sagad na po yung mga ports dito. You got here the charging port, Type-C, HDMI port, Type-A port, at meron pa siyang Type-C dito with the 10 Gbps out. At meron pa siyang mic and headset na jack dito. On the other side, meron siyang Kensington lock and another Type-A port. May output din na 10 Gbps for faster transfer speeds. And that's pretty much it. It's simple, pero kompleto po siya for your business needs. Now, specs-wise, up to 32GB po to na RAM, LPDDR5X. Storage naman up to 1TB M.2 SSD or up to 1TB PCIe 4.0. SSD user upgradable naman daw po siya. Also powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and already comes with Windows 11. Mabilis kung mabilis. Opening apps, opening Excel, Word documents, everything just flows almost instantly. With this kind of specs, syempre, tuloy-tuloy lang po yung productivity ng team nyo. Pero syempre guys, hindi siya pang gaming talaga. Like, wala po siyang graphics card inside that's really built for gaming. This is a work laptop through and through. And it shines especially in AI. But more on that later. Syempre, I'm still curious kung paano nila nagawa to. Itong ganitong klaseng durability, form factor. Wait lang ha, the keyboard itself has minimal flex. Talagang pag-type mo dito, stable naman po. Hindi po nagbe-bend yung surface. Tapos sa kanyang trackpad, feels like glass. Parang sa MacBook na type. Sobrang smooth ng surface niya at ang laki pa, can move around very easily dito. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang laptop na siksik. This one, free to move ka. Sobrang comfortable and the click is very addictive. Yes, may palm rejection po siya. No problems right there. Wala din masyadong flex yung sa ilalim. Very nice. Also, pretty cool even playing 4K video. Tapos yung display can go all the way down to 180 degrees, which is great for presentations, as you can see. Boso, di ba? Pwede naman din ganyan. Pero of course, that is versatility. Manipis din yung mga bezels ng screen ha. And you even get the webcam dun sa taas. The webcam is klarong-klaro naman. Syempre guys, important yan. Sa business, you really need a very clear webcam. And it's a good thing na nag-provide si Asus ng something really clear. And it even comes with AI features sa mga meetings later. Now the display is pretty high resolution. Ito ay 14 inches, 144Hz refresh rate, 2560 by 1600 anti-glare. At very accurate din po yung kanyang colors. 100% sRGB po yan and up to 400 nits of brightness. Siguro yun na lang, no? If you need more brightness, you should get an external monitor. Pero kung nagpo-Photoshop ka, Lightroom guys, sobrang useful po nitong display na to. Accuracy, very important. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin yung kanyang durability. Guys, this thing is all about the durability. Matibay kung matibay. Nakita naman sa intro ko, binagsak ko siya ng parang wala lang. You can actually be worry-free sa laptop kahit mabagsak siya na ilang beses. Alam mo yun, kung owner ka ng isang company, tapos binigyan mo siya sa mga tao mo na baka hindi masyadong maalaga sa laptop nila, guys, it's a worthy investment. Ilang beses daw ang hulog ng ganyan? Ouch, diba? Sakit. Pero it still survives. In fact, ito yung mga kanyang gawin. Nag-hinge test na daw po si Asus, 50,000 open and close test cycles. Drop test as high as 120 centimeters. Pwede mong apakan to up to 90 kilograms lang po ha. Huwag sobrang bigat. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na tapakan mo siya. Sinasabi ko lang is, kaya po niya yung mga extreme na pressure na gano'n. Kasi nga, kapag nilagay mo to sa backpack mo at marami siyang mga books, or naipit mo siya sa travel, no? Kapag nasa MRT ka, syempre, grabe yung pressure dun sa bag mo. Yun talaga ang use case niya. Or kung meron kang office mate dyan, bigla na upuan lang yung laptop, okay pa rin siya. Kahit yung mga ports, guys, sobrang tibay din yan, no? At tinesting ko na po yan sa mismong Asus launch event. Naglagay kami ng dumbbell dun sa port banda. Pinasabit namin siya ng parang ganyan at nagsusurvive pa rin siya. Usually, guys, kapag grabe na po yung tension na ganyan, gumuguho na po yung whole product. But this one, lahat still intact. Sobrang nakaka-impress. Tinry din namin basain yung kanyang keyboard. Okay pa rin siya. Tinapak-tapakan ko pa nga eh. And yes, ito rin yung laptop na yun. Guys, what you're looking at is a very, very durable device. It can last for years. Actually, kung ako, no, marami akong tao kasi dito. If I were to invest on a laptop for my team, it would be something like this. Kasi nga, syempre, ayoko yung parang na-stress pa ako na malalaman ko na nasira yung laptop, na pinahirapos ko nila. At least ito, pang matagalan na. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-upgrade every year. Kung mag-resign mo yung isang empleyado ko, pass na lang sa next. Kung hindi po sayang yung pera nyo dito, talagang mag-ROI ka after some time. Pero syempre, hindi ka mag-ROI sa pagiging durable niya. Mag-ROI ka, syempre, dahil sa productivity na binibigay niya para sa business nyo or para sa work nyo. Now, right now, for our business, syempre, ang pinaka-importante na part sa ginagawa namin ngayon is yung AI. Puro kami AI mo to, AI mo yan. Gumagawa ka ng mga system ngayon na kailangan talaga ng tulong ng AI. Simply because yung consultation is kind of expensive. Nakatipid kami ng sobra with AI. Yung mga simple lang ha. For example, hindi mo alam gamitin tong feature na to sa email, i-explain sa'yo. And you can even share your screen with Copilot. By the way guys, meron pala siyang Copilot dito. Si Copilot ay AI chatbot din po siya. Para siyang ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini. Pero ito kasi mas pang PC or desktop usage siya. Sa sobrang integrated niya, meron pa siyang special button dito for the Copilot. No? Isang press lang, lalabas na po siya ng parang ganyan. Now with this, if you're always using Copilot, syempre, importante na po na meron siyang dedicated button dito. Parang Windows button lang, lagi mo ginagamit, di ba? And with that, look at this. If ever, meron kang want na i-feed sa kanyang information or data, photo, files, even what you're seeing on the screen, it will able to understand it and help you out with any problems. Siguro ito madalas kong ginagawa, no? Guys, sobrang gamit talaga ng AI sa akin. Panggawa ng email. Guys, ito na mo to yung code na sa harapan ko. Sobrang nagugulat ako. Alam na alam ni Copilot na nasa loob ako ng isang IDE, saving me a lot of time and space pang-analyze ng Excel, ng database. So if you really want to boost your productivity, the usefulness of your PC, then this will really help you big time. You can even talk with Copilot so that di mo na mag-type sa screen. At syempre, you can share your screen with Copilot para kung ano may nakikita sa screen, ipapaintindi mo sa kanya at matutulungan ka niya on whatever you want it to help you with. So syempre, well-integrated talaga si AI dito. Meron pa siyang AI meeting minutes. For example, meron kayong online meeting, no? On mo lang yung microphone mo. Ipa-summarize mo lahat kay AI. Lahat ng pinag-usapan nyo. Naka-bullet point at syempre, may summary na po yan ni AI after ng inyong meeting. Here you go, sir. AI minutes of the meeting. Useful to for Google Meeting, Zoom meetings, if wala kang admin or secretary na taga-record lahat. Saves you time, saves you a lot of money. Meron din siyang AI translated subtitles. If you're watching a foreign movie, di mo maintindihan, Mandarin, ita-translate niya yan. Kahit wala siyang transcript on the spot, ita-translate niya yan para sa'yo, para maintindihan mo yung pinapanood mo. Meron din siyang AI noise cancellation kapag ka nasa Zoom meeting ka, maingay yung paligid mo. Guys, it's able to pick up your voice only para mas clear at mas maintindihan yung sinasabi mo. Meron din siyang AI camera kapag gumagalaw ka dun sa Zoom meeting, sumasabay po siya sa inyo at mas ginagawa niyang clear at well-lit ang inyong lugar. At meron din siyang webcam watermark. By the way, meron pala siyang 3-year on-site service na warranty, 1-year accidental damage protection, at meron pa siyang international warranty over 80 countries. Asus is also very confident sa kanyang durability tests. Up to 44 procedures po ang ginawa nila upang mas lalo pang mas mapatibay ang kanyang durability. Meron pa siyang up to 21 procedures of US military grade testing, mga hinge test, drop test, RAM pressure test, panel pressure testing, can withstand even when closing the lid with a ball pen inside, water spill test, at even I/O port test enduring 9 kilograms of force. Now, syempre, I'm not gonna review this as a gaming device. Syempre, hindi naman siya pang gaming. It's actually for productivity, for work, for business. And if that's your goal, then swak na swak po to para sa mga ganung bagay. Guys, ang presyo. The Asus Expert Book P5405. First Copilot Plus PC for work is only 82,995 pesos. What do you think? Are you gonna buy one? Syempre, feeling ko, after some time, ROI ka naman dito. It's got speed, robust AI features, and unwavering durability. After you buy it for so many years, it will last you a very, very long time. Bibili ka ba or hindi? Let me know guys in the comments below. Pero guys, kung gusto niyo ng mga consoles, gaming laptop, meron ako niyan. Sa mga videos ko, mag-subscribe ka lang, hit bell icon so that you don't miss any of my great... Thanks for watching Unbox Diaries. Ooh.